Hi, what's up everybody? It's Tech and Time Journeys back again with another video. And today, we're diving deep into the world of UX design. That's user experience design for those new to the game. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about UX design? Well, whether you're scrolling through an app, browsing a website, or even just using an ATM, good UX can make or break your entire experience. It's all about making those interactions with products and services as smooth, enjoyable, and intuitive as possible. We're talking about that feeling when you use something so well designed. So in this video, we're breaking down the key components of UX design, the stuff that separates a frustrating experience from one that just feels right. Before sketching designs or picking colors, start with user research. Get to know your target audience, their needs, behaviors, and pain points. Create user personas, fictional yet data-driven representations of your ideal users. Direct user interviews are a goldmine of insights. Collect both quantitative and qualitative data to understand your users comprehensively. So you've gathered all this valuable user data, now what? It's time to structure it all into a seamless user experience. Think of IA as the blueprint of your design. It's about organizing content and navigation logically. Users should find what they need quickly and effortlessly. Sitemaps are key tools in IA. They map out the hierarchy of information. Clarity and concise labels are crucial. Users should intuitively understand navigation. All right, we've got our research, we've got our structure. Now it's time to bring it all to life with interaction design. Focus on micro interactions that make up a user's experience. Button clicks, animations, transitions. Those subtle details matter. Feedback is key. Users need to know their actions are registered. Consistency is crucial. Consistent patterns create familiarity and reduce cognitive load. Good design anticipates and prevents user errors. Now let's talk visuals. Visual design is about more than just making things look aesthetically pleasing. It plays a crucial role in usability and brand perception. Typography is a great example. Choosing the right fonts can significantly impact readability and convey your brand's personality. A clean, modern sans serif font might be perfect for a tech company, while a more traditional serif font could work well for a luxury brand. Then we have color, which can evoke emotions, create visual hierarchy, and reinforce brand identity. Think about the calming effect of blue or the energy of red. These color associations can subtly influence user behavior. And of course, we can't forget about imagery. Using high-quality images and icons that are relevant to your content not only enhances the visual appeal, but also improves usability by providing visual cues and context. Remember, visual design should always complement and enhance the user experience, not distract from it. You've poured your heart and soul into designing an amazing user experience, but how do you know if it actually works? That's where usability testing comes in. This crucial step involves getting your design in front of real users and observing how they interact with it. Think of it like a reality check for your design. There are various usability testing methods, from in-person moderated testing to remote unmoderated testing. The key is to choose the method that best suits your project goals and resources. During testing, you'll want to pay close attention to how users navigate through your product, complete tasks, and react to different design elements. Are they getting stuck anywhere? Are they misunderstanding any instructions? These are the kinds of insights that usability testing can uncover. Remember, the goal of usability testing is not to prove your design is perfect, but to identify areas for improvement and iterate based on real user feedback. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect of UX design that often gets overlooked. Accessibility. This is about making sure your product is usable by people of all abilities, including those with disabilities. We're talking about things like providing alternative text for images so screen readers can describe them to visually impaired users, ensuring all interactive elements are accessible via keyboard for users who can't use a mouse, and using sufficient color contrast for users with low vision. The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, provide a comprehensive set of recommendations for making digital content more accessible. Following these guidelines not only makes your product usable by a wider audience, but also often improves the user experience for everyone. For example, using clear and concise language benefits not only users with cognitive disabilities, but also users who are short on time or using mobile devices. Remember, designing for accessibility is not just about compliance. It's about creating a more inclusive and user-friendly experience for everyone. All right, let's talk about the bigger picture. User journey mapping. This is where we step back and visualize the entire journey a user takes to achieve a specific goal with your product or service. It's about understanding all the touch points, interactions, and emotions they experience along the way. A user journey map typically starts with identifying the user's goal, then outlines all the steps they take, the channels they use, and the emotions they feel at each stage. This helps you pinpoint potential pain points and areas for improvement. For example, let's say you're designing a mobile banking app. A user journey map for transferring money might include steps like opening the app, logging in, navigating to the transfer feature, entering recipient details, confirming the transfer, and receiving a confirmation message. By mapping out this journey, you can identify potential areas of friction, such as a confusing navigation flow or a lengthy transfer confirmation process. All right, let's talk about something that can make or break a user's experience: performance optimization. In today's fast-paced digital world, nobody wants to wait around for a slow website or app to load. We've all been there. You click on a link and the loading spinner just spins and spins and spins. Frustrating, right? That's why optimizing your website or app's performance is crucial. We're talking about minimizing load times, reducing page size, and optimizing code to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. One of the key metrics to keep an eye on is page speed. Studies have shown that even a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a significant drop in conversion rates. People are impatient. They want information, and they want it now. Another important aspect of performance optimization is responsiveness. With so many people accessing the internet from mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure your website or app adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes and orientations. We've covered a lot of technical aspects of UX design, but let's not forget about the power of emotion. Emotional design is all about creating experiences that resonate with users on a deeper level, leaving them feeling happy, satisfied, and engaged. One way to achieve this is by incorporating elements of delight into your design. These can be small, unexpected details that bring a smile to the user's face, like a fun loading animation or a personalized welcome message. Another powerful tool in emotional design is storytelling. Using visuals, copy, and interactions to tell a compelling story can create a more immersive and memorable experience for your users. Think about how Apple uses product videos to tell stories about creativity, innovation, and human connection. Remember, people are emotional beings, and their emotions play a significant role in how they perceive and interact with your product. By designing for emotion, you can create experiences that are not only functional, but also enjoyable and memorable. And finally, let's talk about something that's essential for any successful UX design project: collaboration and communication. UX design is not a solo sport. It requires working closely with stakeholders, developers, marketers, and other team members to ensure everyone is on the same page and working towards a common goal. Effective communication is key. This means clearly communicating design decisions, rationale, and user research findings to stakeholders and getting buy-in from everyone involved. It's also important to be open to feedback and willing to iterate on your designs based on input from others. Collaboration tools such as design systems, shared workspaces, and project management software can help streamline communication and keep everyone aligned. Remember, UX design is a team effort, and by fostering a collaborative and communicative environment, you can create truly exceptional user experiences. And that's a wrap on the key components of UX design. From user research to accessibility and everything in between, these elements work together to create user-centered experiences that are intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable. By focusing on the needs, behaviors, and emotions of your users, you can design products and services that not only meet their needs, but also exceed their expectations. Remember, good UX design is all about creating meaningful and enjoyable interactions that leave a lasting positive impression on your users. So go out there, design with purpose, and keep those user experiences top-notch.